Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. That's my dog that you hear. She makes a lot of noises. But anyways, I'm Marissa, if you're new here. And today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys or showing you guys how you can customize your phone for the different seasons or the different holidays. So let's just jump right into it. So I do have a few videos on like iPhone customizations and like also MacBooks. I will leave them in the description down below for you guys. But I figured I would show you guys how to do like a wintry aesthetic. Right now my phone kind of is like a Thanksgiving fall aesthetic, which I will leave the video what's on my iPhone 13 down below where you can see that. But I am just feeling winter, you know, like I just want like the white winter vibes, cute collages, so let's just jump right into it. So to begin, you are going to obviously need your phone and some sort of computer because this is where I make all of my collages and do all of that fun stuff. So first we're going to make our lock screen collage. So I'm going to screen record and kind of walk you guys through it just to show you guys how I do it and how simple it is. Alright, so let's start off by designing our phone lock screen for the Christmas holiday times. So right now mine is kind of like for Thanksgiving and November, but let's do one for like actual like December, you know, Christmas, Hanukkah, because I celebrate both, but just that like winter vibe. Okay, so first we're going to go on to Pinterest, which I'm already on Pinterest. Let me just go to the home feed. And then we're also going to open up Canva because this is where we're going to design everything. So I already have one designed here called Unnamed Design, and these are the dimensions for an iPhone 13 Max Pro. So I'm just going to customize my own size. So it's 1420 by 3073, and I'm going to hit Create New Design. So here is my basically lock screen. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go on Pinterest and look through photos. So if you go to Pinterest and you go to my page, which is just Marissa Panfili, and click iPhone pics, I already have some like wintry photos saved if you want to use that. So let's just begin. So basically if you find a photo you like on Pinterest, you're going to hit Control, click, and you're just going to hit copy image. And then you're going to go into Canva and you're just going to hit Command V to paste it. Now I'm doing this on a MacBook, so you can also use like if you had a mouse or anything. I believe you just like right click it. So I'm just going to go through and kind of just pick the photos that I want. Okay, I want this one, so I'm going to copy that. And you basically just place them wherever, and you can, you know, crop things how you want. It's really personal and just like customizable to you. And you can really do so much with it. I actually made a collage for my friend, so I already have like some already in my Canva. So I'm literally just going to add those. That way I don't have to like search through Pinterest again. So now that we have our lock screen made, I also went ahead on Pinterest and sort of just looked up like winter background and kind of found one that I might like that I'm going to use for the home screen. So I'm going to airdrop those to my phone. So this is one photo that I'm thinking about for the home screen, and then here's the other one. I want something that's like not too busy, but still really aesthetic and cute that can showcase my apps, because I still want to be able to like read what app is what, you know? So we're going to mess around with that. So to begin, obviously let's make this our lock screen. So you're just going to hit the box with the up arrow, and you're going to go down to use as a wallpaper. And just pinch it just a little bit so it's, you know, fits on your phone correctly. And then just hit set, and then you can hit set lock screen, or if you want it as your home screen as well, you can do both. I'm just going to do it as the lock screen. Okay, so let me show you the lock screen. Okay, so here's the lock screen. It's super cute and aesthetic. I'm actually loving it. Let's go back into photos and let's play around with the home screens. So I'm gonna try this one. I feel like it's going to be a little bit too much, but you never know. Pinch it just a little bit so it's where you want, and then hit set home screen. Okay, that's a little bit too much for me. And you also can't tell what it is, so let's try this one, and we can obviously, you know, download some more. Use this wallpaper. One right there. Set home screen. Okay, I love this actually. This is really cute. Okay, super, super cute. I'm in love. Now that our home screen and our lock screen is done, let's design our little app icons down below and also fix some widgets, or just this widget at least. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go back onto Pinterest. I'm actually going to do that on my phone because I actually don't need my computer anymore as of right now. So I'm going to go to Pinterest. And I'm actually going to position you guys down because I was on my knees and it was hurting me. So yeah, okay. I'm going to go into my saved like iPhone pics and hopefully I have a cute one. So I want a cute photo for this widget right here. Something that's going to match. This is just a little bit too, I'm going to say like fall vibes for me because it's like a lot of like orangey nude tones, so we want something that's like kind of like a white Christmas. So I'm thinking this really cute Fendi one, which is also in our collage. So when you're on Pinterest on your phone, the top 3 little dots on the top right, click it and just hit download image, and that is going to download to your camera roll. So there it is. Okay, so I'm gonna hit widget here. Now if you don't already have Widgetsmith, download Widgetsmith and watch my iPhone iOS customization video on how to use that. So here's my Widgetsmith. I literally have so many, it's ridiculous. Okay, so I'm going to find the one that was on my home page, which was large number 6. Click on it, click on the photo, and then go down to selected photo, and I'm just going to hit choose photo, and I'm going to choose that Fendi one. And you can obviously position it how you want, and then you just hit back and save. And there we have it. She's looking real cute now. Okay, my hair's like all over the place. Anyways, super aesthetic. It all kind of matches. Now I might play around with the calendar so it's just the same thing. I'm not sure if the calendar has like different themes. Okay, they do. So I had a custom one which is just like beige, but we can do this vanilla one which is sort of just white, and it kind of goes better, you know? So I think I'm going to leave it like that. Now let's play around with these icons, okay? Yes. So I have made these icons. They're on my Pinterest. If you're interested, they're under iPhone pics. They're from my last iPhone customization video, the iOS 14. But let's make some new ones. So I'm going to go back onto my computer. Oh, my sister is texting me. So let's go back onto Canva. Now I think I have them saved, but I could be wrong. I made them kind of a while ago. And I might not have them saved anymore. That would be really sad. I don't. Ah! Okay, it's alright. Anyways, let me show you on my Pinterest though, if you're interested, where those are, if you want like the nude ones. Like I said, they're on my Pinterest, and you just go down to iPhone pics here, and you scroll that baby way, way down, because it's just kind of far. So they're all right here. So there's Instagram and everything like that. So anyways, we're going to go on the Canva, and we're going to create, let's see. I forget if should I click logo? Let's just click logo. And that just gives us like a 500 by 500 pixel. Okay. First off, I'm going to click the box here, and I'm going to change the background color. I'm thinking black, because I want this kind of to be like a white, black, wintry Christmas. So I'm thinking black. It might be too much, but we'll see. And then I'm going to go on to Google here, and I'm just going to look up just some icons. So on my phone, on the bottom, I just have messages, phone, mail, and camera. Those are just the ones that I use all the time. You can do Instagram, you can do Twitter, anything that you want. So it's just the same concept. So I'm going to just Google messages icon. And I want it to be in white. And if it's not in white, we can always make it white on Photoshop, okay? So, let's see. Do a white one and then just have them all in black. So let's just do that. So I'm just going to hit save image as. I'm just going to name it messages. It's going to my desktop. Alright, let's do a messages icon outline. We'll just do outline in black. Oh, I didn't want messages. I meant mail icon. Ah! Everyone has to text me when I'm like doing something. I sent my boyfriend something that I want for our house. Okay, we'll just do this one for now. So save that image as, and this one's gonna be mail. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so you're gonna spacebar, click on a photo, you can do spacebar to pop it up or double click it, and you're gonna hit preview here. We have to make all of these a PNG, which means we have to make the background transparent. So first off, I'm gonna crop this Shutterstock thing out and just hit delete. Okay. And then you're going to click this little marker tool that's like in a circle. And then you're going to hit this cool wand thing that it's called Insta Alpha. And basically you're just going to click until the background of this is filled in pink, and you're just going to hit delete. And that's kind of what is going to make it a transparent, and you have to do it for everything. So you got to do it for like this little box here and make sure that it's all good. Okay, after that you can just hit exit and now it is saved as transparent. So even though this one looks like it's transparent, it's probably not. So you're still going to want to, you know, do all this to make it a PNG. Now let's go back to Canva and let's actually change this to white. And let's upload all of our icons. So I'm just going to click on all of them. 1, 2, where's the third one? Oh, here it is. Even though it looks funky, but it'll still be alright. Hopefully. Nope. Okay, so the male one we've got to redo because that one just somehow didn't come out great. I might have done it too much. So, let's do this one. Control, save images, male. Okay, let's open the male one up again. Whoops, open with preview. Delete, 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 and then, whoops. Then you can do that and just crop it. Okay. Now I want that saved to my desktop under mail. Replace. Alright, now we are all set. Go back to Canva again and upload mail. Okay, so I'm going to do the camera one first. I'm just going to set it in there, make it as big as I want, center it, and there we go. And you're just going to hit download, and it can be a PNG, it's fine, and just hit download. So now they are all downloaded. And now let's airdrop them. So I'm going to hit share, airdrop, and my phone's going to come up and my camera is going to die, so I need to hurry up. Alright, so let's do our shortcuts. I've done this part about 3 times now because I keep forgetting to screen record. So let's begin. So if you don't have shortcuts already, open the app, and on the top right hand corner, just hit the plus sign. Name your shortcut. I'm just going to name it Messages 2. Doesn't really matter. Then you're going to hit where it says next action suggestions, hit open app, click app there, and type in whatever app. So I'm going to do messages real quick, just to show you guys. Sometimes it doesn't save because it likes to be annoying, so you have to do it again. There we go. So then on the top right hand corner again, you'll see a blue circle with like a little shifter bars. Click on it, hit add to home screen. Where it says home screen name and icon, just click on the icon, hit choose photo. Get your icon, you can make it bigger, small, however you want. Hit choose, hit add, and there it is. It's right there. This one's old, this one down here. So I'm just going to delete this one, and I'm going to put my new one there. So I'm going to hit edit home screen, and I'm just going to drag it down here. Okay, so I went ahead and I did all my shortcuts, and here they are at the bottom. And now, excuse me, my phone is super aesthetic, but I'm not liking this Fendi photo. I feel like it's too beige and it doesn't really go with the aesthetics. So cute. Okay, so this is my phone. And then here's like my daily life apps, my social media apps, my shop and food apps, photo editing, and then of course my app library. But that is how you customize your phone for the winter or like any sort of season. So give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, follow my Pinterest, follow my socials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!